What's up guys? Today we have another unboxing. So this unboxing is basically of the SecuX cryptocurrency hardware wallet. So there are like few hardware wallets out there. Now the thing is that this is a cold wallet. So the other hot wallets are basically live on the exchange, and so this one you can keep your cryptocurrencies on it, and then you can pretty much keep it somewhere safe. This company sent it out to me to make an unboxing. I'm not a very big crypto fan, but I've got a few cryptocurrencies. I do follow them, and it's good to buy a few if you can invest, and hence why I made one video for my Ledger Nano X, and so they sent me this to check it out, and it seems to be pretty good from the packaging. So let's go ahead and let's talk about the packaging and let's see how it is. So on the front, basically, the box is pretty neatly printed. It says V20, so this is the V20 model. Bluetooth mark, it's got an Infineon chip. They say it's military grade security, and it's made in Taiwan. So I'm not sure if you are comfortable in that or not. But the thing is, it's personal preference. I mean, no big deal. Well, if Ledger is from France, I mean, things can go wrong over there as well. So the thing is that it's got this information at the back. It says vault grade protection, Bluetooth USB connectivity. You can connect it through the cable, and it supports lots of coins. So over 1,000 cryptocurrencies it supports, and I'm guessing that through software updates you can even do more. Without any delay, let's get into the unboxing. It comes with this sort of cushion. It looks very different. It's quite huge. From the appearance, it seems to be very heavy, but it's not heavy, it's very light. So I think this is some sort of brushed aluminum material. On the rear it's rubberized, so you can put it on your table and it won't really skid. Let's see what else comes in the box, and we can... Okay, so in the box we have this USB cable, USB-C cable. So the good thing is that it's got this angle, quick start guide over here, 2 recovery sheets. So guys, this is the SecuX V20 hardware wallet. Now there are a lot of videos out there and different people are making different sorts of videos. But mine is just going to be of an unboxing. If you want to see another video in which you want it to be set up, let me know, or you can watch another video. Materials, as I said, they are brushed aluminum. The front is plastic, but it looks like glass. The bottom has got a security tag, a seal. If you remove that, that's where the USB-C cable installs, and then you can charge it, and then of course you can connect your computer and so on. I'm assuming that this is the power button, so if we switch it on, that should basically turn it on. Now the good thing about this wallet is that it's got a large screen, which is good. It's giving us a battery indicator. It's very easy to use, whereas I have my other wallet, which I'll just show you. So this is my Ledger wallet, right? And as you can see that it's really tiny, and the biggest downside I can say, I have to put this cable, I have to keep it long so that I don't lose it, is that when you turn it on, the problem is that it's so tiny, the screen, that literally, like, if you don't have a good eyesight, it's very hard to miss out on these pins over here, and you have to enter the pins, and everything has to be done through these 2 buttons. So it's not very, very intuitive. It's a good wallet. I mean, the backing is good. The company is pretty big, legit, and all the rest of it. I got this in the beginning, so that's why I was using this. But I think if you're looking for a hardware wallet which is easy to use and with a good interface, then the SecuX is a good choice, V20. About security, I mean, to be honest, I'm not entirely sure if Ledger is very secure or this one's secure. And when we talk about security, what sort of support we get, I'm guessing both of them are super secure. But the point is that how long would these companies stand and how much would they support? So anyways, that's a different debate. So we can see that here we have the get started menu. It says, thanks for choosing SecuX. We walk you through a few steps and so on, and then that's it. So the first thing it says, you can create your PIN. Okay, I've just created my PIN right now, and it's saying choose your device name. I've put in my name and it says initializing your wallet, set up a new wallet or recover from an existing wallet. New, and I'll give you some important notes over here. And it says write down your 24 recovery words and click next, and these are the recovery words it's basically gonna give us. Okay, that is it. I have put in all the recovery words and it's saying getting your wallet ready. Congratulations. So all done. So we can now access our account. So what it says, you haven't added any account. So we need to scan this barcode and then go to the website, and once we go to the website we can start adding cryptocurrency. So I'm not going to do that, but this is the end of my video because it just gets too complicated. I'm just going to run you through the menu because these are the main things which you need to actually understand and see. You can add your cryptocurrencies and do those things later on. So for me, this is more important, the interface. I have these options over here. I've got Bluetooth, hidden, reset, 15-minute lock, a name, pin, seed, and about. So in about, it gives you a bit of information, the version and so on. Probably if there's a firmware update, you need to update it from the web browser after you connect it. Because I'm not sure if they have an app. I don't think so. They have an app. It just connects directly to the Google Chrome and you can do it from there. Bluetooth is on. You can switch it off. So we have these options over here, and we've got reset and hidden. So it says create a hidden wallet. We can even create a hidden wallet inside it. So that is it, guys. I have set up the SecuX 20. I'm quite impressed by this device. If you guys are planning to buy a hardware wallet, the link is in the description and you can get some discount. So I would rather say that, if you do want to buy a hardware wallet, take advantage of the discount, which is in the description, and you'll save some money. So guys, if you have any questions, because I've got two wallets over here, I've got this Ledger and the SecuX, and if you are planning to, get one, I think the SecuX is very, very good. It's very easy to use. I was extremely confused when I started to use the Ledger wallet, but with the SecuX, I think that it's a really good option. So much of talking, and I'm just going to wrap up this video. So if you have any questions, leave it in the comment section below and I will reply back to you guys. All right, guys, thanks for watching and catch you next time. Bye-bye.